Welcome back to the course. In this section, I'm going to give you an overview of what you're going to learn in this course. So some prerequisites would include being able to use software online like Gmail or possibly Amazon or other productivity suites. Next, we're going to set up a demo environment in Jira for free using their free trial. So you're not going to go into a production environment and mess up all your information, issues, and tickets. We're going to look at Agile basics. Then we're going to dive into the Jira platform and set up a backlog, put together some sprints, create an issue, which could be a task, story, or bug. We're going to build an epic and review team velocity. We'll also go over the search functionality and look at Jira dashboards and boards. Well, great. Look forward to seeing you in the next section of the course.